Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just sat down and started playing around, and this is the look that I came up with. I feel like it's very similar to maybe a few looks that I do have already, maybe like one or two, but I use different products. So I hope that you guys still enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Tarte Treasure Collector Set Eye and Cheek Palette. The first shade I'm going into is Nutmeg. Going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow as my transition shade all the way through my crease to this inner corner. I'm now picking up Giving. So I'm first tapping this on my outer half of my lid, and then on the inner half of my lid. This part doesn't have to be super neat because we are going to be covering it up. And then I'm going to slowly start bringing that through the crease, doing little circular motions first, all the way into this inner corner. And then just go back and forth, and then do circular motions to start blending this out even more. Now going back into Nutmeg, I always bring back my transition shade at the very end. Okay, unruly eyebrow, get back in there. I always bring back the transition shade just to make sure that everything is very blended out. I'm picking up the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. I'm picking up the tiniest amount and concentrating this just in the center, starting at my lash line. And then I'm going to start diffusing that out. This is going to act as a great base for the next shadow that I'm going to apply, just to make it a little bit more intense. Now going into Cinnamon Swirl. Now with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start applying this shadow over top of this shadow that we first applied on my inner corner and outer corner. If you want it to be a little bit more intense, I recommend going in with your finger, because look how much more intense and pretty that is. For the center of my lid, I'm picking up Buttered Rum. Now with my finger, I'm going to apply this in the center of my lid, and then go back and forth and pat between these two eyeshadows to help blend them together. And then just lightly to blend the edges to make sure that everything is very diffused out. Now my lower lash line, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on my crease and lid. So first going in with Nutmeg all across my lower lash line with my Sigma E54 Medium Sweeper brush. And then going in with Giving on the same brush just on this outer half of my lower lash line. And then just on this inner half, making sure to leave the center empty. And then in the very center with the tiniest amount of concealer, just to apply that in the center of my lower lash line. And then first going in with Cinnamon Swirl on my F70 concealer brush, just on this outer corner, and then on my inner corner. And then in the very center going in with Buttered Rum. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Drippin'. I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Lucky. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Carity Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie, and that's the eye look done. I'm going to first apply some lip liner and slightly fill in my lips with it, and I'm going into this Laura Mercier Longwear Lip Liner in Rosewood. It's going to be my first time trying a Laura Mercier lip liner out, so I'm curious how it is. And now over top, I'm going to go into this Ofra Flexi Slick in Stretch. And that is it. This is the completed look of my warm burgundy copper gold halo smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't really know what to call this look, and I'm not really sure exactly what shade it is. So when I swatched a few of the shades, they looked very kind of copper and orange, and that's the look that I wanted to do. And then I ended up applying all these shadows, and they turned out a little bit more burgundy, and I have a feeling it was that Giving shadow, which is that darker crease shadow that I applied. I think that was a little bit more burgundy than the, I think it was Cinnamon Swirl, which is the shimmery kind of foiled shadow that I applied over top. So that's why I think it became a little bit more burgundy. But I still love it regardless. It's very warm, very perfect for fall and Thanksgiving time. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!